Hey, what's going on guys? My name is Tanner and welcome to Crypto Bible. I am going to be bringing you a new series of highly educational, highly informative videos of everything to do with crypto. Often when people enter the crypto market, they're constantly bombarded with words, phrases, statements, features of cryptocurrency that no one really understands what they even mean. So in this series, I'm going to be giving you guys all the information you need to know to learn absolutely everything to do with crypto. My goal is for you guys to walk away from each video having learned something. So whenever it comes up in conversation, you can act like an absolute pro. Now, all of these videos are going to be based on a PowerPoint presentation. I find that people find them very easy to read and understand. And I also want you to know that we are going to be presenting you guys with a Crypto Bible website. On the website, you'll be able to find all the latest news, all of my latest uploads as well, and we're going to be putting all of these presentations on the website itself. So if you ever missed a video or you want to go back to it, you can actually go on the website, simply click on the presentation you want to view, and you can download it and read it for yourself. So it's pretty cool. So even in this video, what is crypto? Obviously, a lot of people don't even know what crypto really is, so I'm going to be covering that in today's video. So without further ado, let's get into it. Now, before I start, please do not forget to subscribe and leave a like down below and ensure that your notifications are turned on by clicking the bell icon. What is crypto? Cryptocurrencies are digital tokens that use cryptography for their creation and security. Bitcoin was the first, but thousands more have come. In the past few years, thousands of cryptocurrencies have appeared, all claiming to offer something a little bit different. Bitcoin was the first, and its value famously rose to around $20,000 in late 2017, then crashed more than 60% in early 2018. Bitcoin took 3 years to get back to its prior high, and then at the end of 2020, it doubled in less than a month. In 2021, big companies are buying in, and notable Wall Street skeptics are changing their tune. Crypto is becoming impossible to ignore, but let's zoom out. What are cryptocurrencies? How do they work? And why are people so excited about them? Well, I'm going to teach you. So, what is cryptocurrency? A cryptocurrency is a digital token. It uses cryptography, hence the shortened name crypto, to regulate how the tokens are created, how they're traded, and how secure they are. And here's the key appeal for many: it doesn't use or need a central bank or government to control or manage them. Bitcoin was the first cryptocurrency created by a person or persons using the pseudonym Satoshi Nakamoto, first outlined in October 2008 in a white paper calling the concept a peer-to-peer electronic cash system. The Bitcoin blockchain, the network on which Bitcoin runs, launched in January 2009. Nowadays, there are many other blockchains. In essence, cryptocurrencies are digital, so cryptocurrencies are completely native to the internet. You can't physically touch or hold them. Yes, those illustrations of Bitcoin as physical gold coins with a B on them can be misleading. They are decentralized, so all cryptocurrency transactions are stored on a public global list or ledger. That means the records are stored in many different places or nodes at once. And they're also peer-to-peer, so cryptocurrencies are exchanged between parties electronically without one central party or middleman needed to approve the transaction. So how are cryptocurrencies created? Most cryptocurrencies, but not all, generate new units or coins through the process of mining. This is where individuals or groups or miners use expensive computers that race to solve complicated cryptographic puzzles to verify bundles of transaction record or blocks to the ledger. Miners get rewarded for their efforts, which is how new coins get created. On the Bitcoin blockchain, the mining reward is halved every 4 years as a measure to slow the creation of new Bitcoins. How are cryptocurrencies being used? These days, there are debates over whether cryptocurrencies really behave like currency or if they're treated more like commodities. Some people say they should be called digital assets rather than cryptocurrencies. But cryptocurrencies weren't created just to be an alternative to your normal dollar or pound. They can be used for lots of different things. These are just 3 examples of those that followed Bitcoin. So you got Litecoin. The Litecoin blockchain was created in 2011 as a fork, tweak in the code of the Bitcoin blockchain. Its creator, Charlie Lee, intended it as silver to Bitcoin's gold. Its token is LTC. You also have Ethereum. The Ethereum blockchain launched in 2015 and is specifically designed to power decentralized apps, or also known as dApps, and smart contracts on its network. Its token is Ether or ETH. Then you also have Filecoin. The Filecoin network, launched in 2020, allows people to rent computer storage space like Dropbox for the decentralized web. Its token is FIL. Bitcoin was invented to be a form of digital money, but since then, cryptocurrencies have become more sophisticated. But why are there so many? Bitcoin was the first cryptocurrency and it solved some of the key problems of creating digital money, but it wasn't without its flaws. As a result, developers, entrepreneurs, and programmers have been busy trying to build cryptocurrencies that serve a variety of different needs and fix different problems. What's the appeal of cryptocurrencies over government-issued currencies? So they're semi-anonymous. Cryptocurrencies can be designed so that no one can see who you are or what you're spending your crypto on, though the transactions associated with a wallet address are publicly viewable. They're not controlled by the government. People in unstable countries where currencies are volatile can use cryptocurrencies as an alternative way to buy goods and services. They're also borderless. Just like the internet, cryptocurrencies can go anywhere. They're much more secure. So distributed ledgers are very difficult to hack since there's no one centralized party in control. Transactions are also cheaper and much faster as well. So while cryptocurrency exchanges do charge fees for you to buy, sell, or transfer crypto, the fees tend to be much lower than what it costs to move money across borders in the real world, and transactions are verified much faster as well. They can also be used to carry out contracts. Cryptocurrencies aren't just used as a form of money. They can be used to store contracts between people and can carry out these contracts automatically. So the future, we're still right at the beginning of cryptocurrency age. Many coins will come and go, and some will become incredibly valuable, whilst others might drop to zero. But cryptocurrencies, the technology, and industry around them are here to stay. So guys, that's going to cover it for today's video. Hopefully you have been able to learn something about what cryptocurrency actually is. Again, it's one of those subjects that people should really know. It sounds like a very easy question to answer as well, but often people will just get stuck and they don't really know what cryptocurrencies are. Like I said, this PowerPoint will be viewable on our website. I will let you know when that is released, but hopefully you have enjoyed this video. If you have, please be sure to leave the like down below. Ensure you have subscribed to our channel as well. We'll be bringing you a lot more informative and educational videos just like this one. So make sure you have got your notifications turned on by clicking the bell icon. And hopefully guys, I will see you very soon. Take it easy.